This model, the first thing that you're seeing right here is the sternum, so I'm going to take the sternum off, and underneath we have the thymus. So the thymus here has two lobes. We have the right lobe and the left lobe, and behind the thymus we reveal the heart. What you can see off the front of the heart right here is the ascending aorta and the aortic arch, and then if I'll turn the model down into the back, you have the descending aorta, and it's going to go through the diaphragm and enter into the abdomen to become the abdominal aorta. Now, also looking on here, you can see that from the descending aorta, you have many of these little vessels arising, and they are going to the intercostals. They're going to supply the rib cage, and so they're going to go around here, and if you can imagine the rib cage coming around, they'll follow all the way to the sternum. And you also have the intercostal veins here running right beside the arteries. These intercostal veins, as they drain blood from the rib cage, they enter on the left side into the hemiazygos. And the hemiazygos is running up, and all along it is sending blood over, for example right here, behind the heart to the azygos, which is this very large blue vessel. And here again you can see other intercostals now from the right side draining into the azygos. The azygos rises and it will come into the superior vena cava. Here we have the inferior vena cava. What else do we have on this model? We have the branches off of the aorta here, although they're a little bit confusing. Right off behind here, this one right here, this is the right common carotid, and here is the right subclavian. So they start as a branch for this first branch, and the first branch off of the aorta is the brachiocephalic, because it will immediately split and give us a common carotid and a subclavian. The next branch is kind of lost in here, but it gives us this vessel, which is the left common carotid. And then it gives us the third and final vessel, and it becomes this one, the left subclavian artery.
She feels like she's paparazzi.
Okay, and that's it.